Hiya, this is Angela from Fermented Kitchen, and today we've got an Easter special for you. We'll be baking hot cross buns. So this is an updated recipe from the one I did last year. They are so much better than the ones that I did last time. They're super soft, super fluffy, and they taste really good. So this recipe will give you 12 hot cross buns. Hope you enjoy them. So you're going to need 325 grams of milk, 360 grams of bread flour, 140 grams of plain flour, 2 eggs at room temperature, 4 grams of salt, 110 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of active bubbly starter, 100 grams of mixed dried fruit or just raisins, whatever you prefer, 50 grams of sugar. I'm using cane sugar because it adds a nice flavour and colour to it, but you can use brown sugar or any other type of sugar. You're going to need 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I've warmed up the milk a little bit so I can melt the butter in it. So the butter's all melted in the milk. Just make sure that when you're going to use it, it's not hot. It has to be room temperature. Because it's such a wet dough, we're not gonna we didn't overwork it, otherwise it would just become a big mess. So now we're just gonna cover it with a damp cloth, and then another kitchen cloth, and we're just gonna put it in a warm place to rise. So it's now been 4 hours, and it's looking really good. I'm happy with that. And I'm now going to put it in the fridge for half an hour, just so it's easier to manage and shape. Okay, we're going to just kind of shape it into a log, and we're going to divide it into 12 equal pieces. Okay, we're not going to use any flour. If it's getting very sticky, just use a bit of water and wet your hands. We're now going to start shaping them. So what you want to do is just kind of gather the sides, try to roughly shape into balls. Lightly grease your tray. It's now been 2 hours and a half, and they're looking really good, very puffy. So I'm now going to preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes.